Hello everybody, it's Randy, Cupcake Farms, Texas City. Happy Father's Day to each and every one of you fathers who go out of your way to make sure that your sons and daughters are loved, nourished, and taken care of. And most importantly, I'm sending a happy Father's Day to my dad way up in Brooklyn, Michigan. Wishing you a really awesome happy Father's Day. Dad, you taught me two things that I still love. One is my love for gardening. As you can see, I'm nestled down here in my second batch of corn. It's one of the glories of being down here in the Houston area. And second, you taught me the love affair of beets and beet juice smothered all over our homemade mac and cheese. I think Mom described this a few weeks ago as a crime scene, I guess because of the beet juice and being red. And I like that, Mom. That was awesome. Thank you for that. But you gave me those two loves, and those are two loves that I'm sharing. And all of my daughters, all four of them, two of the four, like the beet juice. The other two don't, but they all love gardening, and they've all been part of this throughout their lives. So happy Father's Day to each and every one of you. For all you gardeners, continue to teach your sons and daughters the love of gardening, the idea of growing your own food, and doing it for your community and for the people around you. God bless each and every one of you.